Hi Leo, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, yes, we're here and we're looking at your first 15 days of May. As I said, I'll be doing this in two parts, first 15 days and the last 15 days of a month. So, this happens twice in a month. So, we look at the current situation with you. So, if the current situation resonates with you, then we'll pick up on the energies of what can you expect in those 15 days. So, you know if it is resonating with you. And I'll end it by picking up a couple of oracle cards from the universe for you. So, let's see what's presently going on with you, Leo. Ace of Cups. Okay, this card came out on its own. I see you feeling very emotional about something, Leo. Very emotional at this point. Maybe you faced something and your heart is right now very fragile. Okay, Ace of Pentacles. Wow. So, present situation looks very good. But I'm getting one thing here that this is leading to a change. Like, this is not your usual self. Okay. Um, Trust your emotions. I'm actually seeing trust your emotions because you just cannot always be practical about things. Okay, let me pick up one more thing. One more card, please. And this is the Four of Wands. So, Leo, if you feel that something happened with you or you are scattered right now, everything will fall into place. Okay, somehow both these aces are giving me a vibe that everything exists around you. Okay, there is a new opportunity coming, but you're a little confused. I'm picking this up because both these aces are in two different directions. So whatever it is, okay, right now I'm seeing that your life is heading towards stability, and you probably know this. Okay, for a lot of you, you guys could be thinking of getting married also, and it seems to be a new approach to life. Some things have ended and some things are about to begin in your life, is what I'm picking up. And the only thing is that maybe at this point you feel very emotional. Okay, very emotional. So it's okay to feel emotional. Embrace your emotions. Okay, and don't worry, you're moving in the right direction. It's not like there's something wrong about to happen or anything. So if this resonated with you, that's what I'm picking up as your current situation. I don't see anything wrong here. Okay, maybe life has shown you a different thing altogether at this point, and maybe the way you think is also changing. So that's totally okay. All right, so let's see what to expect from May 1st to the 15th. Six of Swords. So yes, this card here is telling me that you will be moving away from a lot of conflicts in your life. Okay, you will be heading in the direction of something calmer. Okay, let's see what else. I just picked the cards. The High Priestess. You have three cards. So I have the King of Wands, Three of Wands, and Nine of Swords. Okay. I'll just pick a clarifier for the Six of Swords and then we'll begin. Five of Cups. Yes, something happened in your life which still has an impact. And of course, the healing part of it is important here. Okay, I am seeing somebody in your life who could be offering marriage to you and you are not sure. Or who could be just, telling you that, hey, let's move in a particular direction, but you're not sure. I'm seeing you, there is something that is stopping you. Okay, you want to be calm, in a calmer space, this I see, because maybe you need time for healing right now. That's why I said emotions. Okay, maybe somebody has offered you to marry that person, and at this point you're not sure if you want to marry. Okay, and or just offered a commitment and maybe you're not sure if you can do this right now. Okay, something around those lines. One more please. 1 second. Yeah, there is a very strong need to heal. Okay, healing work, 8 of Swords. Yes, something happened in your life which really needs to be checked, and you really need time to understand yourself a little more or heal yourself a little more, is what I am picking up. Okay, so the next 15, those 15 days of May, I see you a little confused, a little scattered whether to move in this direction or not. So this could be that yes, right now you have this offer from someone, okay, a new beginning, but maybe you're not sure. Let's see what I pick up from this deck. What else? Yeah, I have 3 of Wands twice. So you know this is there, but you're still not sure. Like, you want to move in that direction. You should. It's okay. It's like that soliloquy that I'm hearing, that, when you have something, okay, why am I not taking that plunge? Why am I not doing it? I should be doing it. So you're questioning it. Something inside you is stopping you. Okay. And 9 of Swords again. I have the 9 of Swords here also. So overthinking. Okay. I'm seeing you think a lot about an offer. Yeah. About an offer. Knight of Cups. So this is definitely about an offer from someone which you will not be sure about. Okay. That's what I'm seeing. I'm not seeing you take that decision, Leo. So now let me just see what is the advice for you from the universe around this situation. I'll talk more about it. But yes, definitely I feel that somebody wants to offer you a stable relationship or a marriage or something very stable, but you are the one who's not very sure here, is what I'm picking up. Alright, let's see what's the advice to you from the universe. Sandpiper Spirit, be playful. Okay. And Moth Spirit, surrender now. I have 2 actually. Koi Fish Spirit, there is always enough. Don't take that decision because you're not ready for it. You're not ready for it. So if this is about some sort of a decision, don't take it, okay, right now, because if this is giving you a lot of stress, okay, you don't have to be stressful at this point. Okay, don't take that decision. Okay, there is always enough. This is telling you that even if you don't take this decision, you will do fine. Try to avoid it till a certain period of time. I think for another 3-4 months you can put this at the back burner. Okay, and then probably again it will resurface. So that time maybe you can think. Okay, Leo? So that's what I have for you. Let me know in the comments if this resonated with your situation. And please feel free to comment. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And you can follow me on Instagram also. I do daily card readings over there. So in case if you want daily energy checks, you can go to my Instagram. Take care. I shall see you soon again. Bye.